stuck with the error, you can edit this notebook because of its not syncing. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it step by step. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you how to resolve the notebook syncing issue in Windows 11. Let's dive in. Method 1. Check OneNote online. That you can't edit this notebook because it's not syncing error in OneNote means a connection issue with OneDrive or SharePoint, often due to conflicts, cache problems, or permission issues. Open the notebook in a web browser, that is OneNote.com. Sign in with your account credentials and see if it syncs there. You can also manually sync. To do that, in OneNote, go to File, then select Info, then View Sync Status. Check Sync manually and select Sync All. Click on the Sync Now option. You can also look for yellow warning triangles in the sync status window. They show problematic sections. Method 2. Clear cache. The next thing you can do is clear cache. To do that, close OneNote. Then go to this location. Then right-click on the cache folder, select Show More Options and delete the cache folder. Method 3. Copy content. Create a new section in a new notebook. Then right-click Pages in the old section and move or copy them over. To do that, open OneNote. Go to the notebook where you want the new section. At the top of the section list, click on the plus sign to add section. Give the section a name. Navigate to the old notebook and open the section that contains the pages you want to remove or copy. In the page list, usually on the right side, find the pages. Right-click on the page you want to move or copy. You will see two options, Move or Copy. This copies and moves the page completely to another section. Select the destination. A dialog box will appear showing all your notebooks and sections. Expand the notebook you created earlier. Select the new section you added. Click Move or Copy depending on your choice. Verify the page. Go to the new notebook and section. Check that the page has been successfully moved or copied. Check permissions. If it's a shared notebook, ensure you still have edit rights on OneDrive or SharePoint. Method 4. Repair OneDrive. The next thing you can do is repair OneNote. Here is how to do that. Press Windows plus I key combination to open settings. Then go to Apps, then Install Apps, then select Installed Apps. Click on the three dots menu. Click on Advanced Options. Then scroll down and select Repair. Method 5. Avoid dual syncing. Make sure that you are not syncing the same notebook file via both the OneDrive sync client and OneNote's internal sync. So check how your notebook is stored. Open OneNote, go to File, then Info. Look at the notebook path. If it shows a OneDrive URL, it's already using OneNote's internal sync. If it shows a local folder like C:/user/your username/OneDrive/documents, then the OneDrive sync client is syncing the file. Avoid storing notebooks directly in the OneDrive folder on your PC because that makes the OneDrive sync client try to sync the same file. And that's it. You know how to fix the "you can't edit this notebook because it's not syncing" error in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech fixes. Share your experience in the comments. Your tips might help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.